on my phone, come on.
Shit. Yeah, she love the vibe I get. She ain't no street type bitch. She class and booze, I like that shit. I made up my mind, and girl, you too fine. I need all the time I get. She be wet like the waters, I'm making her smarter. She love to tease me, yes. I'm loving your smell, you wearing Chanel, you making me wanna jump on ya. You know I like that fiber crazy.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy GGZAYMUNEY, and I'm back with another video. By the title, you can tell what this video gonna consist of today. I know it's been a long time no speak. Last time I posted, it was on my GGZAYMUNEY TV channel, which is my gaming and car channel. And you know, it's gonna be a minute until I post on it because we still waiting on parts for this thing. But you know, I just got a text message and it said,
how you
"Bet, pull up."
How you push that thing up?
Hold on, I'm doing the video right quick. Bet, pull up. I'm doing some. Pull up, do some content. Oh yeah. He done texted at the right time because I've been wanting to do a video, but I've been busy. I ain't gonna lie. I've been trying to get my money.
He did it a long time ago. He did it a long.
He don't know what he talking about. But yeah, man, we're gonna pull up on these boys. I plan on doing a car wash prank. Yep, we're gonna go through the car wash. Go close the door, dude. We're gonna go through the car wash, and I'm gonna let the window down on either Rugrat or Savage, whichever one. Both if they come with me, goddamn. I'm gonna be like, damn, I need a car wash, bro. Type shit. I'm gonna pull up on them. I'm like, get up with them and stuff. I'm like, damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't washed my car since I got it, which I had. I know I've been MIA, missing in action. I ain't posted on this channel about a month or two, but I promise I'm gonna do better, bro. It's just life, goddamn. I know you're still supposed to keep going with stuff going on, which ain't nothing bad going on. I just been, working. Been trying to make time for this. Hopefully I make time for it though, for real. But yeah, y'all, bring the camera back out when I pull up on them guys. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all made it this far. Y'all comment, car wash in the comments. Let's go. Well, guys, just made it here. I was gonna call them, but I ain't even gotta call them. They got glass outside.
No way, but know what's going on. Soon as I walk out the door, I see his bitch ass better be sitting outside. He pulling up.
Boy, you ain't talking about shit.
Boy, you static, man.
Anyway.
So, child, I'm saying the Rugrat in this bitch. You hear me? Rugrat, keep it 50.
Dog, look at that
now. You hear me? Go get that.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
That shit, 10 out of 10, well, you know what I'm saying, 6 songs. So it's 6 out of 6, you hear me? But go get that shit. Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, that home TikTok. Go make some sound to my shit. Turn me up for them, God. Yeah, I make one for I don't even know how to dance, but I got y'all. God, I'll make a TikTok too. Somebody make one, I'll make it. Me and Gang then go jigs. We got y'all. Say left.
I'm gonna put his Instagram right below mine.
You hear me?
Hey, glad.
You hear me? Right there,
Hey, but this is a real nigga though. That might told me to pick up the camera, man. I ain't gonna cap. I've been bullshitting. If you don't got folks that motivate you, get around you. No cap. We be on each other ass, no cap. We'll tell each other we bullshit.
Man, your ass need to go to the studio, record a song. Your ass need to make videos. Yeah. Savage ass, you know what I'm saying? We be telling you a whole lot of shit.
No cap.
Man, wait till this shit take off.
I ain't gonna cap though.
Did me?
Yeah. I ain't gonna cap though. I ain't washed my car since I got that motherfucker. No cap.
You try to wash that hell real quick, huh?
Hell yeah, we can do that.
This ain't we got to, fool. It ain't even hot as hell outside either. Yeah. Then after we wash the hell, we can just.
No, I'm saying we can, do that while we go through that, huh?
No, nigga, I'm talking about we can wash that bitch then do that.
I'm saying we can do it in there though. Like we can go to it like another joint in the city. It don't gotta be in Harlem.
Are you talking about a car wash?
Yeah.
Ah shit. Say that. I thought we were finna wash that whole here.
Hell no. I'm saying we can go through the thing, the automatic wash or whatever.
But that shit cutty.
But I keep cutting that hoe off and that hoe cut on by itself. I don't know what's wrong with it. What the fuck Savage is?
No, fool.
The nigga was just outside. But anyways, yeah, bro. I guess that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go through the car wash and do that, man.
You got wood?
Hell no. I ain't even smoked the wood in a minute. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You know, gone.
Hell yeah. But yeah, man, I'm either gonna start back recording when we on the way there or when we get there type shit. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get there or on the way type shit.
Wait till I'm up, bitch, I'm causing the flood. You talking to up, do you know that it's love? I done so low when I hit him with slow. The bitty beside me, she be under tension. I'm on my door, finna ask for a home. It's drippin' authentic, how you say you rotated home. The plug, I so love on the drug. Cop 2 lines, 6 fan of the mud. Wait till I'm up, bitch, I'm causing the flood. Not trying to win out, but I'm poor like a needle. You holler, you got me, don't fall when I need me. Take off like amigo, we might leave all set. Sing about them hunters, we duck in the peak. They wanna be chasing the money, but you not a dummy. David the villain, you good to his people, but whoever crosses me ain't showing feelings. Big she smart, he quiet. All I can say, little bro, don't try. They go dummy with me, that G2C really push it to sleep. Legs out the back door with the smoke for whoever that needs. There's a young nigga been whooping as a man. Work, find out you think I ain't dumb, but they jump for protection, my illegal whipping. If I catch him low when I'm blowing, he toast and I he leave the air. Boy, boy got the big boy West, we win no stress. Different my boy, I think we gon' travel to let me just pop out with back, finna go cup of drink on more like a band. They got everything in, he fade away. Talking about some smoke, where you at, clear him out. If I'm on the media, when shit just having fun.
7. It's straight females.
Yo, peace. So that bitch. Take your foot off the brake. What the hell? Reverse.
I'm back. Yeah. Go
I put that on reverse instead of.
You almost ran her ass over.
Let the window down real quick. Hey, my fault. I put that on reverse.
Funny as hell.
Now went that way.
I saw her like, ooh, you come on. I was like, hell no. Y'all go get that loaded, no doubt.
Hey, on the song, go to my YouTube channel and just copy the link and put it in your description to hear the song. Say the name and put the link beside
This shit gas real, cause every time I eat this shit I choke. All this jewelry on me dancing, bitch, I'm cold, I need a coat. Guess that boy thought he could blend, I gotta go get a coat. Smooth, nigga. Hey, I'm Rugrat, nice to meet y'all, like, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, doing this shit cause I got a passion for it. I'm just not playing with these man. Really grinding for this shit, we fine.
Come on, cuz.
Niggas swear.
Plug it, let's get her off, cuz. Come on, bro. Man, you fucking up my phone, cuz. Come on, let's get her off, cuz.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
Got extensions on my left side, got rank out on me. Go tell my mama we made it, put it back, sit on your show. You a queen and I'm a camera, like shit out this race. Don't play with my drink, cause I might come so the bitch I stole.
Take a shower when I got the door and smoking. And then my stupid ass can't even, nigga, I can't even do nothing. I can't wait to see this nigga reaction because he said he got replay. I can't even do nothing. I'm sitting in the seat belt and all. You hear me? I'm taking this hoe off. Fuck.
Hey,
My nigga almost ran somebody over, man.
No, I didn't.
are you GRAT Rugrat? Hold on, don't bad dirty shit going on. I want to
I got to
do this shit too many times. I do this shit for my family, for the bitch, I'm a
call me a buff. That's a hoe I can't call. For my brother, slide me down. You move wrong, I'm a bust. I bet I shoot off the drill, but my niggas blow by the door. I hope he don't touch me. She come with repercussions. If you reaching for this motherfucker, bust it out my chest. See how I just ripped them check it for it. Ain't no looking back up with the Mac, watch how I blow it.
I guess I didn't started some shit, y'all. They said,
man, I don't even do YouTube. Bro, just started a prank war. No cap, I do strictly music. He just started a prank war.
folks said I done started some shit, man.
No cap.
I'm scared. I'm nice
I will whoop the cock just up and pop it, bet I take his bro. See how I walk with it.
Back in that bitch out though. Hey, I just told him I've been playing this video, but I just ain't did it, bro. I've been busy, no cap. But I said I'm gonna get their ass. It's been a minute since I pranked it. I already knew the video I was gonna do. What?
You went to a car wash, you could've washed that whole hand for the cheapest. Nigga, you could've spent $3-4 with that hoe. That'd been great. I know you was pranking me.
Y'all don't even know. I got plenty more of my sleeve, man. But we ain't gonna talk about it. Yeah, y'all. W prank. Got them ugly ass niggas.
No, man.
I still say it, huh?
No, man, huh?
Anyway, yeah. Y'all go get my boy.
Yeah, it's out now. He gonna put it at the end, little snippet, little 30 seconds at the end of the video.
Y'all make sure y'all follow me. GGZAYMUNEY. He don't want to get me from ugly ass
WLW Rugrat official _ official _ Rugrat 1 is hacked. WLW.
You gonna get it? You fucking copyrighted, dude. Damn, you know that boy straight out. You try to get him all the money. I need somebody goddamn. But yeah, until next time, we out this shit. Hey Tom, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
I like the persona. When the camera be flashing the lights on you, it's like I done seen me an angel. You know I'ma die for you. Wherever we are, girl, I'm keeping my banger. When it all started out, we were strangers. We were vibing too hard, it got dangerous. My heart was torn to touch, but all that shit made me famous. She said I saw was tangled, and that made me put up my paper. You fuck with a king, not a hater. Love you now, tomorrow and later. Start from the bottom, slide up to the top. When I got recognition, then when I got all this up, it just
I'm Rugrat, nice to meet y'all. Like, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, doing this shit cause I got a passion for it. I'm just not playing with it, you hear me? I'm really grinding for this shit till we fall.
Niggas swear it's beef. Me and gang go up the scope for show. I bet I kick up my feet, pole in my lap, then watch the dough.